Hello everyone, welcome back to SR Tech Lab. In today's video, I'll show you how to export a user's mailbox and OneDrive data using Microsoft 365 eDiscovery, Microsoft Purview. This process is commonly used when an employee leaves an organization or when IT administrators need to archive user data. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Purview. First, sign in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center using an administrator account. Then open Microsoft Purview portal. From the left navigation menu, go to eDiscovery. Here we'll create a new case to collect the required user data. Step 2. Create a new case. Click Create Case. Give your case a meaningful name. You can also add an optional description. Click Create. Once the case is created, open it. Important: before you can use Microsoft Purview eDiscovery, you must have the required permissions. Users without the appropriate roles won't be able to create cases, perform searches, or export data. In most organizations, these permissions are assigned by a global administrator or another administrator who manages Microsoft Purview roles. If you don't have access, contact your Microsoft 365 administrator. Step 3. Create a search. Inside the case, create a new search. Provide a search name. Now choose the data sources. Select the user's Exchange mailbox. Also select the user's OneDrive account if you want to export OneDrive files. You can apply additional search conditions if required. If you need everything, simply search all available content. Save the search. Step 4. Run the search. Now start the search. Microsoft will begin scanning the selected locations. Depending on the mailbox size and OneDrive storage, this may take several minutes or even longer. Wait until the search status changes to completed. Step 5. Export the search results. After the search is complete, select the search. Click Export Results. Choose the export options based on your requirements. For mailbox data, Microsoft exports the content as a PST file. For OneDrive, the files are exported in their original format. Start the export. This is one of the advanced administration features in Microsoft 365. It's not something that every user can access. Only users with the appropriate Microsoft Purview eDiscovery permissions can create cases, search organizational data, and export results. The export process will now begin. This process can take some time depending on the amount of data. Once completed, you'll see the export listed in Process Manager or the Export section. Step 7. Download the exported data. Once the export is complete, open the completed export job. You'll see the exported search results along with the available download options. Click Download to start downloading the exported data. In the latest Microsoft Purview experience, the download happens directly through your web browser. You no longer need to install or use the Microsoft eDiscovery export tool, which was required in the older version of eDiscovery. Simply choose the location where you want to save the files and wait for the download to complete. Depending on the size of the Mailbox and OneDrive data, the download may take some time. Verify the downloaded files. After the download finishes, open the destination folder. You'll find the Mailbox exported as a PST file, the OneDrive files and folders, export reports and log files. You can now archive these files or import the PST into Outlook if needed. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to export Mailbox and OneDrive data using Microsoft 365 eDiscovery. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to SR Tech Lab for more Microsoft 365, Windows Server, Azure, networking, and IT support tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.